I want to explore this concept of ego a little bit further, and I'm going to share a story,
Mm.
which is in summer 2024. A project that I started was just giving my trades live ahead of time, just posting on social media, and I was doing it for at this point about a year, and I was about well, I was decently up, so it was going well. And my philosophy was, because it's my reputation and it's publicly, I wanted to start off at a very high win rate, so therefore just giving my best setups, and then as I built the buffer of profits, I could manually bring my win rate down by giving a little bit more riskier setups. So at the time of summer, my win rate was floating around 40%, and I'm sitting on a good amount of profit. I wanted my trade frequency to increase by lowering my win rates. I could deploy more opportunities, and then I faced a summer of 5 losses in a row, and that didn't happen to me before. And in a public sense, when the comment section is there, it felt amplified. So then I took a 1 week break, and then I came back, and then I took another loss. I thought, this is not going well. Then I took 2 weeks off, recalibrated, and I thought, instead of taking these lower quality setups, let's go back to a high quality trade. Gave it out again, and it was another loss. So I faced, in the space of 6 or 7 weeks, 7 losses back to back,
Mm.
and I felt very defeated. And also, being on the public sphere was an emotion that I felt. But about a year after the fact, I came across a table online, which was essentially speaking about the based on your win rate, what is the likelihood of consecutive losses? And at my time, I looked at the table, it was 45% win rate. The chances of 4 losses in a row in a 100 trade sample size was 95%. So if you just roll the dice for 100 goes, with that win rate, you will face a 4 losses in a row. Then I looked across the table. What are the chances of 7 losses in a row? And it was about 80% chance. So there's a very high chance I will encounter, with my win rate, that many losses in a row. So what felt for me a dent in my ego, and a bit of confusion, frustration, all of these regular emotions, uh, felt very normal in the end. I was like, this should have been accounted for, and it was not a crisis. It was just baked into the maths.
Um, I would always say, I've been on, various panels and whatnot, and the common theme is just understanding risk. That's it.
Mm.
Risk sorts your head out. If you can define your risk, you can accept it. If you can accept your risk, your head will follow.